Yo, 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 yo. Okay. We in with the new stream. First of the week. Happy Monday. First of all, blessings. Thank you for showing up, gang. What did it do? Let's cast some pits. You feel me? Coming into the week. Currently I have what you see is the DXY up. Not the NAS 100. I saw a potential demand play off the bounce of this area right here, looking like price point of being around 11,080, and this was a 10-point drop, and it's just not making its move of that 272. So we are gonna see some real potential resistance tend to appear now. Currently it's 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and let's actually start the markets like we usually do. We come to the big six, hide everything off the screen. Big six, starting with the big dollar bills, y'all. The DXY, I'm gonna go on the daily time frame because this is Monday, right? We need to see how the week is, how the previous week. And let's go ahead and go. You know what? The first of the year, let's just start off big. Let's do a top down. Even though there's currently stuff happening, I'm gonna adjust what I need to see how I need to. Looks like S&P and NAS are bouncing off that demand, about to hit its 1-to-1 off the break of this level right here. You could have played this potentially. And now we just continuing to wait. Some more opportunities are gonna arise. Okay, so that just hit its 1-to-1. So we're seeing bullishness. We are already positive on the day as well. Up 60 points on tech, 17 on S&P. We are slightly above the Asian session, so this can count as a break and retest, right? This white line being the high, price broke, rejected, came back lower. Looks like it was being held by this area right here. This potential demand continued up into here, giving you a break. This was actually pretty clean. If you would have played this like this, playing that level here, playing your stops here, even if it would have stopped you out, which it doesn't look like it did, that was clean. And now price is coming back, retest, and swept these lows. Okay. Lows swept. I got nothing to put that there. Boom, BOS. So it broke some more lows and then exceeded up again. The 2 minutes move. Why is it pushing up just to push back down again? Okay, so that was really churlish what NAS decided to do. Anyways. Wait, why is the... Oh, this is S&P, okay. Oh, you raised about 2 points. Get you 2. So not 5. Which we're currently looking at. This is a nice play. Especially as it lined up on the 15 minute. Oh yeah, this is real nice. This is actually about to close in 5 minutes as an engulfing. If it closes above these levels. I actually went for a 2-to-1. That's crazy. Alright, so let's look at the other potentiality when one move, market moves. So let's continue with the market breakdown real quick. Looking like we're going bearish on the dollar on the month. Bullishness on the S&P. Same for NAS. Potentially, right? S&P looks like it could be a lot more bullish than NAS does, just by the trend, because NAS looks like it has to break this kind of weird downward trend right here before it can be bullish. S&P is already at that level, or the opposite way around. It's currently at a level of supply in a different time frame. So it's interesting to see how the markets will continue to play out. We got the dollar, the currencies, right? If the weakness is going to come into the DXY, then we should see the vice versa, right? Strength should come into the euro and the pound and the Aussie. Well, we're going to see how exactly that coincides with what is happening, but You can see the strength out of the three right now of Euro, Pound, and Aussie. Aussie seems to be the strongest. We see the obvious go down to weekly time frame. I like how this last week right here closed as a rejecting bearish candle, showing me that there's buyers down here below. Okay, and because there's buyers down there below, there must be sellers and strength up here. So I'm actually liking the continuation and the start of this move. Side note, let's go look at the crypto market real quick, because if the dollar is going to continue to decrease, then that's going to give strength to certain things over here. So this is exciting to see. I'm real excited to see the future of where this goes. But side note, let's go back where we were. Continuing down to the daily time frame. So actually where we are in today's market, we are approaching yearly highs for the euro. By the way, yearly lows for the last week's lows for the dollar. S&P is going to break last week as well, but it still has a significant retracement from the pivot. All right, but this isn't engulfing, is it not? This looks like some pretty strong engulfing candle, rejecting the opposite way. Price is rejecting the close beneath this candle right here, which is the lows. So we'll see how this plays out. Euro is not playing now. So I'm going to actually go into the single chart right here, because the markets are moving and they're not hesitating. Just getting that 4-hour continuation. We're getting continuation on tech, 4-hour continuation on S&P. So we're about to break out of here finally. Break out of this level here. Price is then going to continue higher into the next level. Deeper into this retracement. Even on US 30. This is actually still kind of valid playing. Zones are different. You would have got it at the break there. Playing the wide range, playing at 50 points. I'll open it up a lot more on US 30. A lot more for sure. Say, GJ, what you doing? Just sit back and observe as the markets move real quick. The whole shebang, shabut. Okay, break a structure. Some highs. This is pound yen. This could be a nice sell on pound yen. Potentially. this a buy up because it is breaking. It's a 15 and agreeing again. Okay, I see what you're doing, GJ. What you doing, dude? GJ is about to give a BOS break of this counter right here. That would serve as a valid buy. Yep. On the 15-minute. Gonna close here. I would take that risk of like 20 pips. First going for a 1-to-1. It doesn't look bad, but I would rather take this as a sell. I would need this to come back a little bit more. This is a little bit high for me in terms of retracements. Not giving back enough. About 50%. Come back a little bit more. I'm gonna wait today. Definitely wait. So I'm seeing actually the pound weak. Go weak. Let's see if we can I wouldn't actually want that yet. Not just yet. It break these lows that's coming back. I'm gonna see if it fills in this area right here. Actually go short from there. Go short from the area right here. Let's go back to the full Shabbat. We see that dollar is just drop. Are we getting a 4-hour continuation push? It's pushing momentum, yes. We got a 4-hour push. And this is going to be the trade of the day, actually. So this move I'm seeing on pound yen, I'm getting he's left the station, been left. Okay, we got some movement. Structure this to actually have to break out like that. That's what's going on. But this is massive. Like a Monday for a Monday. Up 80 pips on euro. The daily close like that. See, this is why it's important to observe. Right? I was not aware of these engulfing candles that closed on the daily. Tough. That's tough. From the open alone. What is that? That's 120 pips. It's about to do that easily. We put on a bid. Wow. That's what they doing. Okay. I was not aware. So let's add our confluences. We got a daily engulfing. Euro's about to hit it. Pound's trying. Oh, Pound's definitely about to hit it. Pound looks, oh man, what a great way to start the week. That's actually very nice. I'm upset I didn't see that. How far is this retracement? This small intersection here. It even came back 30%. Didn't come back enough for me. I wanted to come back 50, but definitely a retracement to now. certain. Okay, no, it's this one. Let's update that. I did not notice that. It's blended in. I think it's like that 50%. I'm making a white arrow for all my engulfing candles. And then let's apply this to all. It's another white. Now I should see them numbers. We got 2.5. He told me we got 2.5 hours. Someone said, "Don't worry, we're gonna be able to catch the next one." Yeah, we're gonna be able to catch the next one. It's still very early. Now, unfortunately for me, I have other things in my day I have to do on this Monday. But I'm glad to be here. Let's continue observing. Let's see if another opportunity is somewhere where I'm lacking. Let's go look at something. Actually, what I want to look at, I'm not going to cap, is the crypto market real quick. Because this is huge, especially to start off the year. Because I'm on the weekly time frame right now, right? This is the second week into the year. So I'm going to circle this one because this is the first week. This is the first week of the year. Before this candle right here, we have not been able to close above since November 22nd. No. Monday, November 28th, excuse me. Anyways, we've been in this downtrend, and this red dash line is an arrow pointed. Excuse myself. Let's do this. Okay, it's not gonna do it like I want to do. Anyways, I believe I could do something like this. This area here, this high, and then this low, and then this lower high, right? I marked it from here to here, and that's what created this dashed line. Price is pretty much attempting to break this bearish trend. We got to break out here, and then a rejection, breakout, rejection, breakout, rejection, but it's holding the demand that's happening right here. This demand, to me, is significant because it's giving you engulfing candles, right? Engulfing meaning the color of the current candle is greater than the last. So if we're with a blue candle, where are my arrows? I'm gonna slow myself down. If we're looking at this blue candle right here and this blue candle, it closed above this previous one and the wick as well. The opening being here and the wick being here. So we're making higher highs in the smaller lower time trend, essentially. Now, what we want to see, if this is our first week and this is our second week, this second week not only has to remain with the strength that it's currently having, but to continuate, right, it needs to break this other smaller structure high right here, which I'm going to significant a highlighter, and I'm going to drag it over. So we need price to break. We don't need, but it'd be very great to see price break above that high in this week. If it can and remain above there, that would be significantly great for the trend, and we're really going to see price begin to gain strength here at, what is this, the 1300 level on the 1300 level on the ETH, Bitcoin at the 18,000, 18,000. My logarithmic on? Yeah, why is the screen like that? Anyways, that's how deep and crooked this trade is. But let's go back into regular. Let's see how those markets continue to finish. Because Euro was pushing. Euro didn't make its full move yet. How would you play that? If that was a daily, if this is a daily move, right? Let's add on some Asian session. The price closed here. When did it give me an opportunity to enter? Or did it just shoot up? Right, where's my arrow? Did it shoot up from last week? This being last week, this being Friday. Did price do something Friday? At the end of the day, shoot up, close, kind of stall, and then open when nobody's paying attention. Sunday evening, continue to stall. London, New York shoots up in continuation. It's gonna get up there. Definitely, I'm 100%, not 100%, but pretty confident it can go up 45 pips. Now, the significant point about it is that it's already up today, 88 pips. So saying that this one candle can reach 118 pips for the euro is very, very unlikely. I'm just considering the range of previous candles. Let's measure this candle. Oh, nope, not 116. Well, that was the biggest one. Let's see, this candle right here is about what? 116. So it wouldn't be, it's an average. The markets have not fully left. G would be pretty nice if it came back. I agree. Especially on the fact that it's an engulfing. That's exactly what you want to see. Coming back and finding the clues, finding the pieces, finding the blueprints. I like how that's rejecting the aqua EMA here. Where's the 20? Where's the 20? My EMA is not popping up. Ooh, now that's a move. I wouldn't be scared to take that. How many pips is that? Play that for like 9 pips. Coming back in. Actually like that. Pushing off the 100 EMA on the 4-hour time frame, giving it that 5 minute, 15 minute, 20 EMA rejection. That's actually a nice sell. Coming in to take the entry off the break of that closure here. Entry here. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. God, it's a lot of stuff everywhere. What was that 30 minute time frame on pound dollar? What I was identifying. I saw here. Oh, that's engulfing candle. I'm gonna measure it. See how far it's gonna walk itself back. I'm not seeing it. I just see continuation vibes. That's all I'm saying. Based off the daily closure. Oh yeah. It's on US 30, man. Oh man. How much are we up for today? 120. Still contemplating on entering. That just looks nice. That looks very nice. Not even considering the weeks. Just going from the open to the closure of the body. On Friday's price action. Weesh. Crazy, but I didn't even notice it because it's in the opposite direction of the trend, considering where's the 200 EMA. So it's going in the direction towards the 200 EMA. So you could say and argue that this is counter trend. See to the eye. But I could also say from a higher time frame, being the weekly and monthly were below the 200 EMA, it was going with the trend in some type of consideration of that. Which one it would be in this being your actual closure candle right here, being this level here. Price point, what? 38.93. We're at 39.13. Is that 10, 20 points off? That's not bad for S&P. It's not that bad. Go outline that. It's just distracting. The outline's about to be distracting too. It's probably better get removed. It's gonna move interesting, but nonetheless, it's still bullish. We're still moving. DX spot still dropping. Took the high. Interesting how it came right in here though. Ooh. Law don't lie. Price don't lie. Price does not lie. That's crazy. So in terms of market fluidity, see what the market decides to do. 8:45. My window of opportunity was missed. Potential risking of 17 to 15 points. That's if you got in up there, which is crazy because you would have technically been doing something like that. So it should have been 10 to 15 points. Say you were strong on 12. Come on. You hit 35. I believe I started the stream off. Crazy. I'm saying yours 30 like they dig it. Why didn't that pop up here? Oh, I don't have it on. Yeah, pop up, okay. I'm interested in S&P. That's the market I trade. Potentially giving me a continuation opportunity. Based off the 15-minute candle closure of this 8:15 to 8:30 candle. Price is now back below the opening of that candle, which is perfect. And excuse me as I set my MetaTrader up here to this. Definitely interested in this for sure. I need another confluencing confirmation to enter me into the trade. If we can get a candle to close back above 39.14 and 15, because that's where my entry area is going to be based off how price reacts and closes above this area right here. If we can get a candle closing bullish going back above 39.20, 39.13, excuse me. Can you visually mark that so I can see? Boom, 39.13 is the area where I want to be in. We can get some type of reaction back above, but until then, we're gonna observe and see how the market continues to go back down. Very apparent in watching. Got MK on deck, on board. I'm actually gonna set that right there, just in case it wants to get. Let's observe the other markets. So you pretty much want, ooh, that looks very nice for some reason. Now it's like that. The time's 8:51. All right, so here shortly, I'm gonna have to end stream to continue on with my day, but I am waiting on tech to do something nice. So we'll see. Really want to see how the continuation of this pre-New York move happened, because it's not even 9 a.m. and this is actually closing this 4-hour candle. So let me come back over to this screen. This 4-hour candle is about to close, and if you see what it's trying to do, it's trying to close above the wick of the previous 4-hour candle. So structure did break because price did go above. Did it close above? Yes, from a 5-minute 15-minute standpoint, but it immediately rejected back down. Immediately rejected back down based off from here, this level here. So from this level here, why are my things sinking? You want to see it come back and flip around, which it did. It's perfectly. I want to see it come back at least 39.10. If it comes back 39.10, perfect. I'm even tempted to set me a burning limit. Text lined up, Nas is lined up, doing the same thing from a flower standpoint. So as this flower candle closes in bearish territory, we're observant of the strength, the power of the bears. But they're not in control of the trend right now. I'm the captain of the ship now with the bulls, right? One of my friends told me to start saying weird jokes, so I'm gonna just start saying random stuff. You told around the wrong person to joke. I can be interactive. I just be here by myself. You know what I'm saying? I ain't really tripping because it is what it is. But as the stream populates, as I begin to become more natural with this, I got a joke for you. I got a joke for you, right? You know, pound dollar on this 30-minute time frame candle that I was talking about, it's really retraced. This is the one. As far as candle though, you know, the 4-hour is your friend. So as price is going to close here, if we can get a 5 to 15-minute candle to close back above wherever this current 4-hour candle close, that's going to go back into consideration with the trend. Now obviously everyone can see what I just said, meaning if I mark this off like this, And I'll mark this off like this. Okay, this is obviously the box range we're trying to play. Everyone can see that. So you want to be careful and precise and considerate of what. We gonna see though. We gonna see though. We gonna see though. We in this thing. We in this thing, man. Strong with it. Well, look at this. I'm missing it. Missing this strong reaction. That's a closure off the 5 minute right there. Go back to all. Okay. Okay, I see you, S&P. That's who I'm watching. I may go ahead and add an entry in there just because of where price is and the timing of the level. I'm just gonna drop my risk. Where's my broker? Here. Set the trade up. So instead of going in with 2 entries at 0.5%, I'm gonna go two entries at 1/4. I'm gonna go ahead and enter into the market now, just because how price is moving. Where we are actually going bearish. I don't gotta enter right now. I do like how euro and pound are moving though. Man, I want to enter into them though. So pound dollar is what I'm gonna probably go ahead and buy in towards. Just off the straight, it broke high, came back, retested, closing again, or even closing above that level. Looks very attractive. S&P retracing now. I'm glad I didn't enter when I did. Now giving me a strong possibility to though. I'll take 39.12. As it's coming deeper, it's coming deeper. Do you see how it's like that? I want my entry has to be below there. This is where I'm placing my entry, and I'm only risking 0.5%. I just went into the market, so I'm in at 39.11 here. I'll pull it up just so we can see. I'm in at 39.11. This is my man. I'm in on a challenge account, right? Trying to get funded first of the year, and we're trying to take it from 39.11 up into a 1-to-1 at 39.22 and a possible 2-to-1 at 39.30. It'll be easier if I kind of fully mark it up over on this screen. So this was an early entry. This isn't my actual entry. I'm actually interested in adding more to the position, but we want to give more confluences and more confirmations before we would just start stacking on positions. This is a slight test position. I'm really testing the market, testing and see if it's going to agree to the analysis that I said and respect the structure of this low right here. That's where my stops are below. If not, it is what it is. Let's see. I'm actually gonna have to go ahead and wrap this video up now and kind of come to a closure. Appreciate you all for coming on, you know what I'm saying, showing up today. I appreciate you for taking the time out of your day to step into the dojo, get a little bit of that OT flow. So I'm currently in S&P based off the closure of this engulfing candle right here on the 15-minute time frame, possibly giving me a continuation for the flower. Saw the same thing for NAS as well, but I didn't enter into NAS 100. I did see the daily closures for the currencies, right? But they are already well away from their entry, which was where the daily opening of the candle was. But there was a smaller time frame potential opportunity showing up on the 30-minute time frame on pound, 15-minute time frame on S&P and NAS. Euro is kind of doing its own thing. It's just kind of doing its stretch, but it's definitely here. You have weird looking candles that look like this, but it's still moving, right? It's still moving. So as now dollar is looking more and more juicy, I may add an entry into this one as well at a smaller risk. I'm already in S&P risking 0.5%. I want to kind of risk another 0.5% here on pound, but I'm gonna wait for another confluence, especially as S&P is pulling back even more and tighter. Let's see. Appreciate you. Until next time. And actually, as we come to an end, I'm gonna say my streaming sessions are gonna get a little bit weird. My timing, due to other things, had switched up. So now, before I was streaming pretty much every day, from like 8 to 10. I can't do that no more. So we're gonna see how this evolves, but I will definitely be streaming 8 to 10 tomorrow. So I'm so happy and grateful now that you showed up there, because I showed up. Appreciate you. We're gonna catch a bag and go ahead and speak it into existence. S&P is gonna move on our way. Got in at 39.